everyone, welcome to the HE-robotic channel. Starting today, HE-robotic will be presenting new case studies. Metal manufacturing workshop upgrade, using robots in metal bending processes. The main focus of our video today is how robots, through HE-robotics integration technology, perform metal trough bending processes in the hardware stamping workshop. Under the guidance of HE-robotic, the Robot Automation Workshop presents an unprecedented technological landscape. Each bending of the trough is a perfect embodiment of HE-robotics' mature robot integration technology. The robot's arm moves smoothly. Every angle and every radius is precisely calculated. And this is just one of the diverse customized solutions that HE-robotic offers for different industries. It's the perfect combination of robot technology and manufacturing processes, showcasing the new heights of the manufacturing industry, and also demonstrating HE-robotics' leading position in the field of robot integration technology. Follow HE-robotic, and we will report more HE-robotic service cases.